Hey guys, what's going on? This is Zach. I'm back at you again with another video. This time it's the Blackberry Key 2. This is my first Blackberry since, oh man, what is it called? The Blackberry Curve with AT&T. I've had it years ago, in early 2000s. That was my first actual smartphone. To be honest with you, I've been wanting to check out the latest Blackberry phones until now. I got the one before the latest, before the LE, because there's another version of this one. It's called the Key 2 LE, which is a cheaper version of this model. So let's start with the price. This costs $650. It is a GSM only, as far as I know, phone. So basically, it will work on AT&T, T-Mobile. You can buy it at Amazon. You can buy it at Best Buy. $650. So for the specs, this phone has a Snapdragon 660. It's an octa-core, 64 gigs. Also has 6 gigs of RAMs, 64 gigs of internal storage. MicroSD expansion up to 256 gigs. It does have a dual 12 megapixel camera in the back. So one is wide and the other one is telephoto. In the front, there's an 8 megapixel front camera, and it has an actually nice battery size of 3,500 milliamps, which should give it, along with the processor, the Snapdragon 660, should give it a pretty solid battery life. Other than that, its display is pretty small because of the keyboard, obviously. It has a 4.5 IPS, 1620 by 1080, so it's an FHD display, an IPS, so it's not an OLED. It should be fine, but it's not an OLED, so the dark colors and stuff are gonna look okay. They're not gonna look as sharp as in a Samsung phone, for example, or an iPhone. So basically, so it supports 4G LTE. Also has it also runs on Android 8.1. No word on when it'll be updated to Android Pie, but they're working on it. They've been pretty decent at updates. Not great, but pretty decent. So we should see it pretty soon. So it has the keyboard. So let's open it real quick and go see what's inside. All right, let's see. Oh, I have it upside down. Okay. All right, here we go. Oh, looks like there's some fingerprints already on the phone. Have not used this phone yet, but basically there's some fingerprints in it. All right, so this is what it looks like inside the box. You have your books here, manuals, and all that cool stuff that I never read. SIM card ejector here. Okay, there is what are these? Headphones. Yep, looks like headphones right here. Okay, pretty usual stuff. Micro SD. Oh god, USB-C cable and a wall charger. Yeah, you can tell I don't remember how to say USB-C. So this is the phone. It's pretty. It's not wide, so which is cool. It's easy to hold. The display, like I said, is 4.5 inches. It feels good in the hand. So this is made out of aluminum, unlike the cheaper version, which is made out of plastic. The Key 2 LE. It feels good. So we're gonna take this one out and check this out. It actually feels good. There's like this plasticky, rubbery back. It actually sticks to the hand. It doesn't slip. So cameras in the back, the dual 12 pixel camera. You have a flash here. So, and the usual Blackberry logo right here. So the keyboard is here. It's a QWERTY keyboard, and also it has a fingerprint reader, which is located right here on the bottom. So we're gonna turn it on. So on the bottom, you have USB-C port, speakers, which is cool. It feels good in the hand, man. I don't know. With a 35 milliamp battery, it's kind of light. It's very light. So let's see if it has some juice in it. There you go. About to start. So this has been out for a couple months now. Okay, you should see some good deals on it if you're a fan of the Blackberry brand and the physical keyboard. You know what? I've been hearing good things about this phone. Haven't used it, so I'll say take a look at it and see what you think. So here my dog in the background. You'll hear my dog in the background. She's probably gonna hear somebody outside and starts barking because she thinks that she owns the neighborhood. Ellie, come here. All right, give me a second. I'm kind of having a hard time using this because the keyboard, because I do not remember how to switch to numbers, but I think I'll figure it out. Okay, so I think I got it. I think I do. Just trying to connect to the local network real quick. There you go. So now I'm connecting to the network. Taking forever. So on the side here, let's go back to the side. You have the SIM card slot right here. All it has, I forgot about this. It has a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, which is a plus. You have your volume button, power button, and this one is, I'm guessing, if my memory is good with Blackberries, this one is to launch the camera. If my memory is good, so we're gonna skip this. All right, let's skip this real quick and see what happens. Actually, the keyboard is pre-tactile, so we're gonna add a fingerprint. You're gonna see. Let's put a password real quick. Okay. 2, 3, 4. 1, 3, 2. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. All right. The keyboard is kind of funny to use because I haven't used this in a long time. All right. So here's the fingerprint sensor. So it's on the bottom. It says to scan your finger this way. It's kind of awkward, but I mean, okay, so now we're gonna try. Here we go. A little slow. I'm actually pushing on the keyboard. It's going fast. I'm pushing on the key, and it's going pretty fast actually. Than just like hovering my fingerprint on top of the space bar. So here we go. So it recognized my fingerprint. So, all right. So this was a quick unboxing of the Blackberry Key 2. I'm gonna go a little bit more further here just to see what it looks like inside, and then I'll come back again and do a review after you use this phone for a little bit, and go from there. So this is the Blackberry launcher. It has its own launcher. All right, let's see. Okay, so this button, if I'm not mistaken, well, it's a convenience key. Okay, so this is cool. Unlike some other brands, basically, this is cool because you can do whatever you want with this button. I didn't know, but now I know. I guess you can do a bunch of things with it. You can, whatever shortcut you want to put in it. So, and you can play around with how many times you push it, and it will take you to whatever whatever app you want it to go to. So here's the camera, which I'm pretty sure everybody wants to see. So this is the light I have there. I don't know if you can see this. Let's see. Okay, so this is my ring. So here, this is the wide, and this is the regular camera. A little dark, but again, not perfect light in here. Pretty quick. Takes pictures pretty quick, and I'll say that. Oh, you can even touch the touch bar. All right, sweet. So I actually still gotta learn how to do all this stuff. I think this is it. Yep. So I'm wondering how. This is funny. This is the first time I'm using this, so please. I haven't used this in a long time, so I'm trying to figure out how to go home. Here we go. Okay, so you do have the keys for home, back, and everything from here. So I'd say it's pretty fast. So anyway, so this was a quick look at the Blackberry Key 2. I was gonna say Blackberry Curve, but Blackberry Key 2 was launched just a few months ago. So far, it looks nice in the hand. It feels nice in the hand, and I'll post a review very soon. Thanks for watching, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment if you have any questions about this phone. Thanks, guys. Peace.